I'm going to show you how you can easily cancel an order on Zomato after ordering. The first step is very obvious. In this step, open the Zomato app or the website if you're using the website. Make sure to open the platform in which you have placed the order initially. Then, click on your profile in the top right corner of the app. It is the first option in the food orders section. It will be available when you click on your profile and the menu will open up. Then tap on the restaurant from which you have placed the order. Just click on the restaurant name and the order summary will open up right in front of you. At the top right corner of the screen, there will be a button with the title Support. Click on Support. A chat will open up in which you can easily mention your query or the problem you are facing. This is Zomato Support Chat. In the chat, type I want to cancel my order. Then, select the reason for your order cancellation. Also, if the customer support representative finds your reason valid enough, they will cancel your order.